Basically, the electricity grid is next to the basically water supply, probably the most important piece of infrastructure that we have. There is a greenhouse gas called sulphur hexafluoride, or SF6, which is a synthetic gas that has been created by the switchgear industry roughly 50 years ago, because it has very, very good technical properties that help in switching electrical currents. And in something called switchgear, which is what we develop, this gas is used in order to electrically and thermally insulate inside these switchgears so that this switching actually becomes possible. Now, this greenhouse gas, sulphur hexafluoride, has a global warming factor of 25,000, actually a little bit more, which means that 1 ton of it in the atmosphere has the same effect as 25,000 tons of carbon dioxide. So little amounts of it in the atmosphere have actually a great impact with regard to climate change. And we have developed a technology, a switchgear technology, that uses simple air instead of SF6, but has the same performance characteristics as these SF6 switchgear. So essentially, we keep all the benefits of SF6 switchgear, but we get rid of this big disadvantage, the greenhouse effect, and also we thereby simplify the production process and also the handling of the equipment, because you simply don't have to bother about this gas anymore. How we offer this solution is by way of license to manufacturers of switchgear. We do not manufacture primarily ourselves, but rather we offer our patented technology to other manufacturers around the world. There is an alternative, and it is possible to step out of SF6 more or less immediately. And our goal as a company is to keep all those benefits of this GIS technology and basically offer the same reliability, but without SF6.